It doesn't matter.
Injured?
Yeah, it's injured. We found this bird that doesn't know how to fly. It has a bloody beak. Oh, it stopped. But it had a bloody beak, and we're trying to fix it. We're like letting it go in the air, and it's getting the hang of it. Show him.
What's hurt on it?
It's the wing.
Yeah, it's
wing. And if it keep trying to fly with the wing hurt,
Look.
and it have permanent damage.
What's wrong?
Looking at his talons.
What you do is right, go home, get a shoebox.
His butt.
Listen, you go home, get a shoebox, put it in the shoebox, and get some food for it and put it in there with it. And like cut a hole in the shoebox and sit outside your back porch. When it gets healed, it's gonna go out and fly by itself.
Yeah.
That's actually
Isn't
right.
there a birdhouse nearby that we felt last time that we kept seeing? We gotta flip over a rock and find a worm.
We're trying everything.
Roly polies.
Good.
Get one. Here.
Life for everything goes.
There's a whole bunch of them right here, so it doesn't matter.
Oh,
What?
I ate that joint thing.
It did?
I think he called that joint down.
It did?
It just, yeah.
Give it another one. buddy.
Give it another.
one. Where you at?
That thing was fast.
Ah!
It scared me.
It just jumped on it.
It doesn't know what to eat.
I wouldn't know what to eat. That makes no sense.
It probably doesn't eat.
Why don't you guys pick it up?
Because I don't know what. Dude, we have to have anybody that likes birds. This woman here, I think she likes birds.
You're cooking in front of our house?
One of these things are not like the other.
Alright, forget it.
Brownie, you can do this. No, stop.
I'm gonna give it more trading.
Fly. Yeah, it's not flying.
It just lands on its feet like that.
Yes. Dude,
And then its wings spread out.
Are you even on YouTube?
no, I'm recording it. Dude, we have to actually get something. It's not learning how to fly. It probably has permanent damage. We actually have to go get something.
No.
You see every time.
Melvin, you must let it fly on its own instead of jumping it unless you can.
No.
That's what he did. He jumped out my hand and went through there.
Well, let's just leave him here so he can be.
Wait,
fine.
should we do the ultimate test?
Nigga, he's gonna die. Hit him with a bird cunt, and he can mate with it.
Is that bread? That's bread! Come here, it's bread! We got bread!
That's like chicken.
I like some bread.
He loves some bread.
I like some bread.
Isn't that bread for ducks though?
It's a miracle. No,
This ain't even bread.
that is
Chicken.
That's chicken. I found bread over here.
It's chicken.
Bread is right
This
here.
is bread. Try to feed us some chicken.
Oh.
His own kind. You gotta put him down.
All I see is blood on that bread.
Put it down and just let him do it himself. He's planted it on it. Maybe he's not
Does
hungry.
it know how to eat?
Okay, this bird might be mentally retarded.
Shut up!
I'm sorry, but it does not know how to eat.
Somebody open the beak.
Ow,
I'm not gonna
open there.
Well, he said put your mouth in there.
I mean,
How does your mouth even fit in there?
mouth can probably fit in there.
You have the smallest mouth in the world.
I think he's not opening because it's bleeding.
Yes, that's probably why. Watch, as soon as he opens it, there's gonna be so much stuff in there.
Just let him go.
Yes, we actually have to let him go. We can't think of this again. We have to put as much food as possible in front of him.
All right, eating test.
Eating test. No! And that's when we put this over him. And that's when he has his own time. We love you. We love you, Brownie. Hopefully,
Suffocates and dies.
it's not gonna suffocate.
And plus, it's in front of God's house. He almost
He was almost eating it. We have to get away from him.
Let's just put the bread in the grass over there.
He's probably paranoid because people keep picking him up.
Yes, he's probably paranoid because of that. We actually have to go. We have to put him somewhere, at least.
The one dude told us
God's grass. Throw some bread over there.
We gotta put him in God's grass. We're going.
Yeah, I'm done with this. We tried to help. Could it help?
We're trying to help it. It's dying.
no, it's not dying.
Here, birdie.
That's okay.
Here, birdie.
We're trying to get some.
Get the shirt.
No. We're trying to put it in there. Here, birdie. We love you, Brownie.
Bye, Brownie.
Bye, Brownie.
God bless you, everybody.
You too.
God bless.